production, we learn photography, video production, which is basic camera operation, studio management. Then we learn advanced photography. In the last semester of the 2-year program, we learn digital cinema production, which entails learning how to create cinematic productions like movies, films, short films.
In this program, we can earn our Photoshop certification and we can earn our Premiere Pro certification. I chose this career tech major because I wanted to find something to express myself through art. The best thing about my career tech major is that we learn employable skills and we get to have a lot of freedom.
Best thing about our school is that we're able to give our students so much flexibility and freedom and responsibility to take charge of their future and their goals. Students are able to kind of freely roam and shoot and film and really express themselves creatively in our class. It's just really awesome to see what kids do when you give them that freedom and that trust and that responsibility. I think a lot of schools miss a lot of opportunities because of that. Currently in my media production class, I have a student who did an apprenticeship at a company, and through that she has earned an internship at the Cavs where she's going to be working on web-based film productions and some photography as well.